So on the 11th September I'd be chasing the GBRF Class 50s and the Three Peaks Challenge. So our first catch will be the 50s just outside of Cumnock, run under of 1Z50. The 0939 GBRF services Stranraer from Cambridge Parkway with 50s 049 and 007. And then this would be them coming around Falkland DGL just over 20 minutes late at 10:30, where 50007 would detach and run to the front of the tour to then head it to Stranraer. And then we see my last catch of the 50s that day at Maybole, where they'd be delayed 11:01, turn up at 11:37. However, we're not quite done yet. We go to Crianlarich to see my last catch, which would be on Z84. The 1446 locomotive service the crew from Fort William with 47853 and 37667 taking back the Three Peaks Challenge.